Hey Geek, so welcome to Buc-ees. This is a mega gas station, and well, if you've never been to one, I'm going to show you how this looks like because it is definitely an experience. You can see here, this is not your average gas station. Look at how many pumps they have. I would say it's like 50 something pumps, and the inside of Buc-ees, it is something else. And this is something that honestly I have never seen versus any other gas station. So there is the mascot, Bucky the Beaver, I'm assuming, but yeah. And this is gonna be, well, an experience that you probably never had going to a gas station. I wouldn't think this is something that you should see, but Buc-ees is just something else. We'll check this out. Hello, wow, check this out, wow. And honestly, I haven't been to too many Buc-ees, but yeah, they have everything here. And I'm pretty sure with the music on, there might be some issues with copyrights, but I wanted you to experience this like I have. They have a lot of Buc-ees gear and merch. Wow. You know what? When I first came into this, I could not believe that this was actually a gas station. And this is a place where you could practically get everything. There's a lot of food here, desserts, lunches, and there's just more stuff than you would actually think you would get in here. And at the same time, you know, you could come get a lot of souvenirs as well. So if you're traveling and you just wanted to pick up some nice souvenirs, I really think the Buc-ees merchandise is really great. So here's some more lunch items here. Yes. And there's some gummies, dried fruit, man. There's all types of things here. There's coffee and tea, sports drinks. And look at this, it's just absolutely massive. I can't tell you how big this place is. It's kind of hard to believe until you've actually been in here, but check this out. So this is the main area of Buc-ees, but there's also a back area here where you can get even more food. So if you're hungry, no problems. So there's some coffee and tea here. There's a bakery, burritos and tacos, chicken and fries, jerky. And from what I understand, people who work at Buc-ees, they get paid really well. So it's not uncommon, like if you work at Buc-ees and you get a good position, you could probably make more than $100,000 just working here at Buc-ees, which is absolutely insane. And from what I understand, they treat their people really well, so that makes it a great experience for everyone. So there's some more drinks right there, pulled pork, and their sandwiches are great, by the way. Wow, we have the world famous restrooms, and yeah, they're huge. So check this out, it's beautifully designed. So check that out. Whoa, there's a lot of stalls here. Yeah, that's a lot. And here's a closer look at the beef jerky and the clothing and merchandise. I really do like the Buc-ees mascot. They remind me of the chipmunks. Check this out. There's just so much stuff in here. Wow. And the food is actually good here. So, yeah. Okay. So I'm coming back to the front, but this is definitely an amazing experience. I don't even consider this a gas station. It is absolutely an adventure. Check this out. Wow. Okay, so that is Buc-ees. Definitely something that you want to come visit and experience for yourself if you have it in your area. But if not, it might be worth the trip to check out Buc-ees. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave it in the comments down below, and I'll see you on another episode.